Okay, remember in the swine flu problem, the function on the left tells us how many people have been hospitalized by day X. The right-hand side is the 100,000 people, and the question was, will the number of people hospitalized ever be equal to 100,000? So this is the equation we're being asked to solve. If I try to take logarithms right away, I'm going to get a mess because of this stupid plus sign down here. I'm really going to have to try hard to get e to the something by itself and then use logarithms. So what I'm going to do, unfortunately, is multiply both sides by this bottom. The left-hand side becomes much nicer. I get 195,315 equals 100,000 plus 100,000 times 123.77, which I think is 123,770,000. 123,770,000. I think that's what calculator says, yes. And now I finally have my e to the minus 0.635x, like that. I'm now going to subtract 100,000 from both sides. Put my little orange line in here so you can see that's a new line. So I'm going to get 95,315, at least my lines are getting shorter, equals 123,770,000 e to the minus 0.635x. Orange line again because we need a new line. What I want to do now is divide everything by that huge number. So I'm going to get, way over to the left, 95, can we see that? We can. Yes, 315 divided by this great big huge number. I'm going to get 1, 2, 3, don't put a comma yet, 770,000. Let's see, that goes like that. That is equal to e to the minus 0.635x, like that. We finally have x in just one spot, and in fact, because I have e to this thing. So what we're going to do now is take the ln of both sides. We could use any logarithm, but ln and e are nice things, so we're going to do this. I'm going to get the ln of what is actually a fairly tiny fraction, because the bottom is so much bigger than the top. So 123,770,000 equals the ln, okay, we can see this, of e to the minus 0.1635x. Now, just a reminder, how does logarithm work? Well, remember, logarithm is log base e. So what log base e asks us to do, better, is write what's inside is e to a power. We have e to the power, and then it just spits out the power. So what I get here is just negative 0.1635 x, like that. I'm going to go to the top. Let's get a little more room to finish this problem. I'm just going to divide both sides by negative 0.635. So here we go. I'm going to get negative the ln, what is after all actually a tiny fraction. So I have 95,315 divided by a huge number, 12,377,000, and then all of that divided by 0.635. And that's equals x. That should be the exact number of days it took, if it's defined, for 100,000 people to catch the swine flu. I'm sorry, to be hospitalized with the swine flu. I'm now going to my calculator, and just so you know, I'm not lying. There's my calculator, my favorite calculator. I get minus the ln, and then I have parentheses. I have 95,315 divided by 123,770,000, like that. I think that's right, divided by 0.635. And I get an answer like equals 7.66, I'll round, 664 days. So what I would say is during the 8th day of them measuring, they actually hit 100,000 that quickly. That was pretty quick to hit 100,000 people hospitalized with the swine flu. And that's that problem.